The Enrich Feature Store helps data teams prepare their data for any number of data science needs, from training machine learning models to automated decision support systems to deep analytics. In this demo of the Enrich Feature Store, users from Acme Corporation land on the homepage where they have a view of everything that's running on the server. But before we proceed, how do data science teams actually build features using Enrich? Users start with Enrich's Python SDK. It supports a number of abstractions like pipelines, which have their own DSL, tasks, and transforms. The transforms are stitched together to form pipelines that are tested locally and rolled out to the Enrich server from GitHub. Now back to the Enrich GUI. The control panel up top gives users access to the many applications that make up Enrich. Here we get a bird's eye view of everything happening in the system. This tab shows us out-of-the-box functionality within Enrich that is used to implement the pipelines, including a lightweight catalog and labeling functionality. This tab shows us functionality that is used to run the feature pipelines on the system, while apps in Audit show users how the data is getting transformed at each step. Apps in Access allow users to discover and consume the data sets that are being generated by the system. Meanwhile, the Monitor functionality gathers metadata of the pipelines to compute drift in the data over time. On the operational side, the Execution section allows users to check the status of all the pipelines that have been running on the system. If we drill down on this most recent pipeline, we see its overall status, the modules that were invoked during this run of the pipeline, the specific Git commit of code that ran, the parameters used to trigger this run, and the observations that this pipeline has made during its execution. It includes a detailed audit log, including snapshots of intermediate data frames to allow users to debug the process quickly. The Data Quality tab gives us a view of input and output data quality. The user can define expectations and evaluate them on the outputs as they are generated. The output datasets explicitly state their location and checksums, along with the schema and samples. This allows users to get a quick sense of how data flowed through the system. Machine-readable provenance information is just another way Enrich helps users follow this flow of data and benefit from additional capabilities like the compliance functionality, which generates data processing records associated with the outputs that can be directly submitted to compliance teams. At Scribble, we are all about helping data teams be more productive every day with robust data prep infra that lets you sleep easy. Of course, there's tons more to Enrich, from knowledge capture around each feature to a feature marketplace that eases collaboration all the way to real-time streaming features, and we'd be only too happy to tell you more about it. Get in touch at hello@scribbledata.io.